California may have its problems, but there is no shortage of amazing luxury real estate here. And on today's Top 5 Property Tour, we're going to stay right here in the Golden State and take a look at some ultra luxury mansions in some of my favorite areas in my home state, including a Beverly Hills mega mansion that NBA superstar LeBron James just purchased. Let's go. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Danny Batsalkin and I've been a real estate broker right here in Southern California for over 15 years. I'm also a real estate and business coach and a former attorney. And on this channel, I give you insights into real estate, business, and finance because my mission and passion is to help you make great decisions in these areas of your life. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're excited about this type of content, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Hit that bell icon so you get notified about all of our videos, and be sure to also follow me on Instagram where I post all kinds of cool stuff daily. All right, on today's video, I'm going to give you a property tour of the top 5 luxury homes that have come across my desk this week. For this week's edition of the top 5, we're going to stay right here exclusively in California. Look, I've been pretty hard on California lately in some of my videos, so it's time to feature one of the best parts of the state, the real estate. Be sure to stay until the end. I guarantee you won't be disappointed in any of the 5 luxury estates I'm going to show you today, including a new pad purchased by NBA and Los Angeles Lakers superstar LeBron James. Now, since my real estate team Discover Properties is affiliated with Compass, the top luxury real estate brand in the country, you'll see a lot of Compass properties featured in these tours. More information about each property can be found in the description below, and if real estate happens to be in your plans, just click the link in the description to contact our real estate team. We help clients all across the country buy and sell luxury real estate, and we got you covered wherever you are. As we tour these incredible properties together, do me a favor and let me know in the comments below which property is your favorite. And at the end of the tour, I will reveal which one I like the best. So make sure to stay until the end. All right, let's do this, you guys. House number 1. Let's start our tour in one of my favorite areas in LA, the swanky suburb city of Hidden Hills. This exclusive gated community north of LA is home to many celebrities and ultra wealthy people. It's a beautiful equestrian style area that features large homes with a little bit of a country vibe. This home at 5545 Dixon Trail is a just completed new construction property. It's listed for $18,600,000 and has 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and over 10,000 square feet. The estate on Dixon is an English Regency home on Dixon Trail, a rare gated winding driveway leading to a double lot that provides unparalleled privacy, sited atop a 2-acre promontory affording jaw-dropping mountain and city views with unbelievable sunset vistas. This estate was completed by noted designer Travis Grimm with unmatched quality. The estate on Dixon combines timeless design, ultimate privacy, and expansive views. The listing agent is Tomer.fridman with Compass. Wow, what a beautiful home that is in Hidden Hills. Amazing. Now, for our second estate property, let's go to another one of my favorite areas in Los Angeles, Sherwood Country Club in Westlake Village. If you're a golf fan, you may recognize this golf course as the current home of a Champions Tour playoff event. Tiger Woods used to hold his annual PGA tournament here before he moved it to the Bahamas. I guess I can't blame him. Anyhow, Sherwood is also one of my favorite golf courses in Los Angeles. 800 West Stafford Drive, listed for $6.8 million. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 5,000 square feet. This is a unique, one-of-a-kind owner-built true single-story home in Sherwood Country Club Estates that was completed in 2014. The entire home runs on a custom Lutron automated system. It has disappearing pocketing doors, which open to a beautiful indoor-outdoor patio area with heaters, a pop-up double-sided TV, and a cooking island. The home is a cook's and entertainer's dream. This home is listed by Michele.manfredi of Compass. Amazing, right? For our third property of the day, let's head up the coast to Montecito, just outside of Santa Barbara and about an hour and a half north of Los Angeles. This is another one of my favorite areas in Southern California. Wow, I really have a lot of favorite areas in Southern California. Anyhow, I don't think you'll be disappointed by the house I'm about to show you. 1368 East Mountain Drive in Montecito is listed for $28.5 million and has 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and over 11,000 square feet. It's nestled in the foothills of Montecito. It's a 5-acre compound and offers amazing panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. It was created by renowned designer Robert Webb and evokes timeless architecture reminiscent of the new Rosewood Miramar Hotel. This estate sits on a private sanctuary all its own. It has lush landscaping thanks to a private well which complements the wandering stream, lily pad-filled pond, and gazebo. This true masterpiece is listed by Paul.suding and Bridget Murphy of the Suding Murphy Group at Compass. Hey there, are you getting value from this video? If you are, hit that like button so that YouTube shows it to more people. And while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified of all of our new videos. It's absolutely free. And now, back to the action. For our fourth hot property of the week, let's head back down the coast to yet another one of my favorite areas in Southern California, Newport Beach, which is a beautiful beach area located about an hour and a half south of LA. This spectacular home at 38 Linda Isle is listed for $27 million. Just completed, this bayfront home occupies the most sought-after location on Newport Harbor. It's set behind the man gates of Linda Isle. This 5,500 square foot residence of contemporary design is meticulously finished with the finest of interior appointments, and the result is a home that is uncommonly spacious, light, and livable. Walls of floor-to-ceiling glass on both levels capture the very best, uninterrupted westerly views over the main turning basin. The home also has a 2-story gallery entry, a media room, 2 kitchens, a commercial elevator, and most importantly, a private dock for a yacht in excess of 80 feet. This is a nearly perfect home in a perfect location. It is listed by Rob Giem of Compass. All right, folks, we've checked out some pretty amazing properties on our tour today, but we've saved the best for last. For our last hot property of the week, we head back to LA and Beverly Hills specifically. Now, this house is actually not on the market, but it recently sold. My beloved hometown Lakers just won the NBA championship, and our star player LeBron James just bought his 3rd mansion here in LA. A few weeks before winning that title, LeBron bought this spectacular property at 9955 Beverly Grove Drive in Beverly Hills for a cool $36,750,000. The house sits off Lower Benedict Canyon and behind a long private drive. It's a 2.5-acre view compound that has been home to multiple famed Hollywood royalty, has a large motor court and a courtyard that welcomes you to spectacular views from downtown Los Angeles to the ocean and the Santa Monica Mountains. It's safe to say that it's been a pretty good month for LeBron. Congratulations. All right, everyone, so what did you think of our tour of Southern California luxury estates? Which one of these awesome homes is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. As for me, as I promised, I would tell you my favorite house. Although it's kind of hard to pass up LeBron's house in Beverly Hills, I will tell you that I really do love Montecito. And so our property up in Montecito outside of Santa Barbara is my pick of the week for today's favorite home. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you joining me here on the luxury tour. We're gonna be doing this every single week. So make sure you subscribe so you can see all of these properties. Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. If we're just meeting, my name is Danny Batsalkin, and if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you and I want to thank you for tuning in. My passion and my mission is to help you in the areas of real estate, business, and finance, and really make sure that you make great decisions in those areas in your life. I've been a real estate broker for over 15 years here in Southern California. I run a team of all-star agents at Discover Properties, and we help people buy and sell real estate and get amazing results here in Southern California, as well as the entire country with our referral partners. For the last several years, I've also coached some of the top real estate agents and teams in the entire country. And when I coach real estate agents, my goal is to help you create a real estate business that's predictable, profitable, and fun. If I can help you with any of those things, click the appropriate link in the description below, and it'll be my pleasure to help you out. If you're not already a subscriber to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified of every video that we put out. And if you got value from this video, hit that like button so that YouTube shows it to more people. Check out these other videos that I think you'll really enjoy. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.